Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Python, that is Python version 3.13.2 on a Windows operating system. And after that, I'm also going to show you how to create a simple HelloWorld Python program on our Python idle shell. So to watch the video till the end, I can guarantee if you watch the video till the end, you'll be learning a lot of new things. And if you're still facing any issues in middle, you can always ask me on comment sections. And I'm also on Instagram now, so you can also follow me over there and you can ask all of your doubts over there as well. I'm definitely going to help you. So now to install Python, you have to first simply go to favorite browser and to search over here, Python download. Hit enter. So that will show you this www.python.org. So just simply go to their official site of Python, and here you'll be able to see that our latest version of Python, that is version 3.13.2, is available to download. We are going to download it for Windows. If you are using some other operating system like Linux or macOS, you can always proceed with all these different links. For Windows, I'll just simply click on this download button and immediately we'll see that our Python is rightly started downloading. And it has rightly downloaded as well. So just simply click on this installer and let's minimize our browser. So here I'll recommend you to select all these two options and just simply click on custom installation. So here under optional features, you need to keep everything as a default and click on next. And here under advanced options, you need to select the first one, that is install Python 3.13 for all users, and then just simply click on install. So that will ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and there you go. You can see that our Python installation is rightly begun. So by the time it gets installed, I'll request you to subscribe our main channel Geeky Script along with Geeky Syntax. So here also regularly I'm posting lot of coding related videos, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also if you are interested to learn about WordPress, you can watch all these different videos on our channel. So some videos are 1 hour, some are 1 hour 30-minute video, so you can always watch WordPress videos on our channel, so these are also completely free. And here let's wait for a couple of minutes. So we'll come back and now you can clearly see that our Python is rightly installed, so you can just simply click on close. And now to verify whether Python is rightly installed on your system or not, just simply go to search and just simply type cmd and just simply click on this command prompt. So that will open our command prompt, and here if you just simply type Python and hit enter, so that will show you this Python 3.13.2 right on your console. So if you are getting this type of message, then all that basically means is your Python is rightly installed. So here also you can do Python command and you can get that output. So if you write something like this, print hello, you are getting the output on your console. Let's close this and open our Python idle shell. So just simply type idle. So that will show you Python idle over here. So just click on that, and that will open our Python idle shell over here. So here also you can do that same thing. You can print something like, let's say print pizzas. So just end with quote and in the bracket hit enter, and you are getting the output pizzas, right? So similarly you can create a new file and you can write your own code over here. So let's do summation of two numbers. So let's assign a couple of values on two number, like a equal to 9 and let's say b equal to 10. And let's say you want to print these two numbers, so a plus b, so that should be showing output of 9 plus 10, 19, right? So first save our file, so click on save as, and let's save this file on our desktop as sum.py. Just click on save, so that will save our file. And now if you click on run and click on run module, you can immediately getting the output on our console, right? So a plus b or 9 plus 10, that 19 output is coming on our console. So here on our Python idle shell, you can start working on your all Python assignments. I also recommend you to install PyCharm. So for that you can watch this video. So PyCharm will give you a very beautiful Python IDE. So there you can really love your Python programming. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Syntax. And if you want, you can also watch our WordPress videos. And lastly, special thanks to the supporters of our channel. We are truly grateful to you guys. Supports like this really motivate us to create and improving these videos. Again, thanks a lot for being an essential part of our journey. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.